These are the best rides at Prater Vienna.
Don't waste your money and do these rides.
Prater is a pay-per-activity fun fair, which means it's free to enter and walk around. But it also means some of the attractions here are very overpriced. So make sure you do a loop of the park before deciding where to spend your money. Or watch this video and we're going to tell you which are the best rides.
On Monday, some of the rides are half priced. Today's not Monday, so we have to be mindful and first do a loopy-loop to see what we want to do.
How did you ever figure out you can do that? For a good day out in any fun fair, you need 2 roller coasters, 1 dark ride, 1 big upside down loopy thing, 1 water ride and 1 random choice. First up, roller coasters. Brand new for 2025, the Wiener Looping. Opened in May 2025, this Mack Ride Still roller coaster is the newest attraction in Prater, and of course the first attraction that we are going to try today. With a ticket price of €8.50, let's check out that front row POV. Wiener Looping, €8.50, approved. Next up, we head over to the other side of the park for the gesenkte Sau. Not as intense as Wiener Looping, but great fun nonetheless. We love knowing a bit more about our community. Comment below which country you're from for a chance to be featured in our next vlog. So, €7.50, approved. In this space you'll find Olympia Loopy Loops, as Asha calls it. This is the home park of Olympia Looping, but of course at the moment is Oktoberfest, meaning it's not here. If you do get the chance to ride Olympia Looping when it's not at Oktoberfest or in Winter Wonderland in London, and it's here in Prater, then this roller coaster is also approved. I mean, come on, it is the largest travelling roller coaster in the world. You've got to try it. Time to look at some of the roller coasters that didn't make the list. Dizzy Mouse, €5.50, not approved. Boomerang, while still good looking from the outside, could do with an update. €7, not approved.
Rollover, €4, not approved.
Indoor roller coaster, €6, not approved. Wild Mouse, not approved. Volare, €6. If you've never been on a flying coaster before, approved. If you have been on one, not approved.
Next, let's look at the dark rides.
Hi, 2 tickets please. These are coming at you quick because there's so many to choose from. Let's do this. Geisterbahn, not approved. Of the Pirates, not approved. Virtual Reality Clown, €5, not approved. Jack the Ripper, not approved. The Aluminium, something, we've never been on it, so we're going to try it first and then we'll decide. €7, no matter how good it is, not approved. I think this might be the one that gets approved. The biggest, longest and tallest ghost train in Europe. For €5, it's got to be approved, right? Let's go check it out. It definitely got me a few times. This guy's the house, approved. If you prefer the special effects, then you should do this one instead, Hotel Psycho. It's a little bit more expensive, but the ride overall is much better. We had a lot of fun in our Geister house though, because don't be scared.
And you have to say approved.
Approved! Next up, water rides. There's only 2 to choose from, so it's not going to be a long list.
This splashy one, €6, not approved.
Wild Alpenbahn, €6. Approved. I also really like doing these, which we always do when we go to places like Oktoberfest or Herbstfest. But it's a lot more fun then because you've got a little bit more inspiration and motivation inside you. That's right, you should definitely go on. So we did.
Next, big loopy spinny things.
We don't know what they're called. Flat rides is the technical term, but essentially something that remains static that goes upside down or round and round. Black Mamba, not approved. In this category, we're only looking for the biggest and the best. XXL, not approved. Discovery, not approved. It's going to be close at the top.
Magische Rotter, not approved because Worcester King Size, approved.
Yes, if you've only got money to do one of them, then go big. And Booster King Size is the biggest. And last up is the random choice. The last pick, the random ones.
Prototem, approved. Space Shot, not approved.
The Slingshot. If you've got enough money and you've never done one before, approved. throwback to our first ever YouTube video. This video started our channel off, and we have no regrets.
Madame Tussauds, not approved, of course not. Why would you want to go look at wax figures?
They are not that good either. There is Katy Perry there that has a very strange nose.
Is that Katy Perry?
Yeah.
That's not Katy Perry.
Wiener Looping, 1450, approved?
Absolutely not approved. The 14-year-old 50 to go on that thing. Are you joking? No.
If you are not really a roller coaster enthusiast and you want to do a fun activity,
Do something else. Don't do that. 1450. Are you joking?
that looks like a cool idea.
No, it doesn't. There are, of course, a few honourable mentions.
The tower, approved!
If you haven't had enough fun yet and you've still got a bit of money left over, then these are the rides to check out last.
Tornado, €5. Approved.
And one more cheeky roller coaster. Share this video with your friends so that you all know which are the best rides in Prater Vienna.
Bonus roller coaster, Mega Blitz. For €5, it's approved.
That was our full day in Prater. For more money saving tips like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.